Hello kids, welcome back. I am Vandana and we are learning English grammar by Coral Publishers, and here's a book, Focus English Grammar, book 5. Today we are going to start with chapter number 17 and it is modals. So let's see what is it. So we use different words like can, may, should. These all are called modals. Let's learn the use of can and cannot. Can और cannot का use हम यहाँ पे पढ़ेंगे. So can क्या बताता है? ये बताता है ability means हम कोई काम कर सकते हैं. It expresses ability. For example, I can make painting. You can run fast. Can is used to ask for or give permission. Permission लेने या फिर देने के लिए भी हम can use करते हैं. Can I raise the volume? क्या मैं वॉल्यूम बढ़ा सकता हूँ टीवी का? और you can use my bathroom. तो मेरा बाथरूम यूज कर सकते हो. Similarly, can is used to make request or suggestion. किसी से request या फिर suggestion देने के लिए भी हम can use करते हैं. Can I have more sweets? क्या मैं थोड़े और मिठाइयाँ खा सकता हूँ? या can you lend me your dress? क्या तुम मुझे अपनी ड्रेस उधार दे सकते हो? Cannot suggest absence of ability means cannot का मतलब हम वो काम नहीं कर सकते, तो हम यहाँ पे cannot use करते हैं. जैसे अर्पित cannot speak French. अर्पित फ्रेंच नहीं बोल सकता. या राहुल cannot swim. राहुल swim नहीं कर सकता. Now let's learn the use of could. So we use could to talk about ability in the past. Means past में कोई चीज़ थी उसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं. कोई काम हम पहले कर सकते थे उसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं. So when he was young he could play basketball very well. जब वो young था, जवान था, तो वो बास्केटबॉल बहुत अच्छे से खेलता था. Could you walk when you were 2? Yes, I could. क्या तुम चल सकते थे जब तुम 2 साल के थे? तो आंसर आता है हाँ, मैं कर सकता था. Could you write the alphabet when you were 3? क्या तुम अल्फ़ाबेट लिख सकते थे जब तुम 3 साल के थे? No, I could not. So could और could not का use ऐसे करते हैं. Next comes use of may not. We use may to ask for permission. Permission लेने के लिए हम may use करते हैं in a formal or polite manner. Formal या फिर polite manner में, जैसे may I come in sir? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? Now we use may to give permission. हम may को use करते हैं permission देने के लिए. You may go to your room. तुम अपने रूम जा सकते हो. May is used to give wishes and blessings. Wishes और blessings देने के लिए भी यूज होता है. May God bless you. We use an exclamation mark at the end of such sentences. और ऐसे sentences के बाद हम exclamation mark लगाते हैं. We use may to express possibility. Possibility को express करने के लिए हम may use करते हैं. जैसे it may rain tonight. आज बारिश हो सकती है. May not is used to deny permission. Permission को रोकने के लिए हम may not use करते हैं in a formal manner. Formal manner में, जैसे you may not leave the table. You are not finished with your dinner. तुम्हारा डिनर फिनिश नहीं हुआ है तो तुम अभी टेबल नहीं छोड़ सकते. Next, use of should, should not. So should and should not are used to give advice or opinion. Advice या फिर opinion देने के लिए इसे use किया जाता है. जैसे कि people should worry more about global warming. लोगों को global warming के बारे में और ज़्यादा सोचना चाहिए. You should try to lose weight. Weight lose करने के बारे में सोचो. Couple should not smoke too much. It is not good for his health. Couple को ज़्यादा smoking नहीं करनी चाहिए. You should not hurt animals. तुम्हें animals को नुकसान नहीं पहुँचाना चाहिए. Next, use of must, must not. So we use must or must not to make suggestion forcefully. Forcefully suggestion देने के लिए हम must या फिर must not use करते हैं. You must not go there. It's getting dark. Means आप किसी को order दे रहे हो. So बहुत ज़्यादा अंधेरा और अब बाहर नहीं जाना है तुम्हें. You must not forget to return the book today. तुम्हें जो बुक है मुझे रिटर्न करने में देरी नहीं करनी चाहिए, भूलना मत. You must help needy people. Needy लोगों की help करनी चाहिए. Use of will and would. Will और would हम कब यूज करते हैं? When to ask somebody to do something. किसी से कुछ पूछने के लिए, कोई काम करवाने के लिए हम will और would यूज करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल है will you open the window please? क्या तुम विंडो खोल दोगे? Would you help me? क्या तुम मेरी हेल्प करोगे? Will you come tomorrow at my home? क्या तुम कल मेरे घर जाओगे. So these are the uses of will and would. Now here let's move on to the exercise. A exercise says fill in the blanks using can or cannot and a suitable verb. So can, cannot use करना है और यहाँ से कुछ suitable verb लेना है. Take verb from the box below. So Sumit dash football very well. So Sumit can and then play. So Sumit can play football very well. This is a very difficult question. I cannot solve it. I cannot solve it. I am sure you can do this work alone. You can do this work alone. So do the rest of the questions yourself, children. Now let's move on to B part. Fill in the blanks with may or may not and suitable verbs from the box. May not use करना है और box में से words use करने हैं. Pankaj dash with us. Pankaj may not come with us. Clear? I dash I your pen. May I borrow your pen? Clear, children? So do the rest yourself. Next, C exercise, fill in the blanks with should or should not and use the suitable verbs. Sushan dash in New York by now. Should be in New York by now. So find the answer to the rest of the questions. Next, the exercise, choose must, may or must to complete the following sentences. The manager said that dash take the rest of the day off. That must take the rest of the day off. She dash very ill. She must be very ill. She never takes a day off without good reason. So the rest of the questions you have to do yourself. Now, E exercise, change the following into polite requests and write sentences in different ways using will, can, would, could as shown in 1. So देखिए यहाँ पे लिखा show me the ticket. Will you show me the ticket please? Can you show me the ticket please? Would you show me the ticket please? Could you show me the ticket please? So here you can see how you have used will, can, would and could. Similarly, you have to do the second one, wait a minute. So use these words, will you wait for a minute please? So like this you can do the rest. These all are to be done by you. And with this we have completed the chapter and I'll be meeting you soon with a new chapter. Till then stay tuned and thanks for watching.